I wouldn't give up on my child, you know, and I'm not going to give up on her. You know, she needs me just like I need her. You know, it's kind of a win-win situation, really. You know, she brings joy in my life, you know, and amongst the sadness, you know. And, you know.
You're not going to get rid of me, are you?
I'm not getting rid of you. No, I'm not. It was very sudden because it was a fast-moving cancer. Usually prostate cancer is kind of slow-moving, but it was a type of cancer that isn't normally in the prostate. So, yeah, it was. We found out he had cancer in May. You know, he passed away on June 13th.
Oh, I miss Randy.
Yeah, and Randy would help me a lot, like if I needed to go to the grocery store and get stuff. And but I guess that maybe is the most change that we've had, is that, you know, he kind of relieved me more so that I could go out and do some other things. And you commit your life to them because they're with you all the time, you know. But it's not really that hard, you know.
I'm getting hungry.
She kind of goes along with me wherever I go, don't you, Holly?
Mm-hmm. It's freedom.
Don't touch this. This is not, okay?
It's just very rewarding, you know. It's a very rewarding job. It's not a, you know, it's not a normal type of job. It's like you're being paid to be a stay-at-home mom.
Jesus, for this food, we pray you bless it to our bodies. We pray you will provide, watch over. And
Sometimes
guide us
she
in
needs
Jesus'
a little
name.
bit of reassurance that, you know, am I gonna leave, or is she gonna leave? I said, nope, we're stuck together because, you know, I need her as much as she needs me.